ECB bond buying scheme in all likelihood to have unfastened conditions. Assets. Milan. The European Central Bank is likely to attach a few free conditions to an upcoming scheme designed to cap borrowing prices for the Eurozone's most indebted states in a bid to win aid for it, assets informed. The ECB stepped in to stem a rout in bond markets on Wednesday via announcing plans to plan a brand new buy scheme geared toward combating fragmentation, or a widening gap between the yields paid by means of Germany and those of lower-rated countries together with Italy. Details of the scheme are being ironed out by ECB workforce. Sources near the matter said the scheme would in all likelihood have conditions, including that nations follow the European Commission's monetary recommendations. These are issued yearly with the aid of the European Commission and commonly address rustic structural issues, which includes its labor marketplace or pension device. The assets stated the ECB will spell out that the scheme's aim is absolutely maintain bond spreads consistent with their monetary basics, instead of bringing them to near zero like they had been before a crisis of confidence a decade ago. This will in all likelihood be executed through quantitative benchmarks, including historical spreads, which can also then be changed into a visitor's mild system to teach group of workers on which countries' bonds to buy and at which frequency, the assets stated. The resources decline to be named due to the fact the discussions are exclusive. An ECB spokesman declined to remark. These safeguards have been visible as critical to secure help with the aid of all nations, together with Germany, in which the government and parliament will scrutinize the choice and the pinnacle courtroom may be called upon to rule on it. Groups of German teachers have complained approximately beyond ECB bond buying schemes in more than one complaints at the Constitutional Court docket in Karlsruhe. While their claims were in the end rejected, the German judges have demanded that Berlin parse ECB decisions with a high-quality comb whilst they'll endanger taxpayer money. But tying the new program with the European Commission's hints changed into nevertheless visible as less stringent and more politically palatable the ECB's previous rescue scheme, which required countries in distress to use for a full-in bailout.